Rivers State Governor Gov Fubara don tok say im go investigate the lack of water supply for the state secretariat complex wey dey cause unacceptable condition for the civil servants. Governor Fubara tok dis one after him and the new head of service, Dr. George Nwonke, and all permanent secretaries carry waka go do check for the state secretariat complex after one meeting between the senior civil servants and the governor for the Executive Council chambers for the Rivers State Government House for Port Harcourt. E con tok say e no proper for the workers to still dey complain say water no dey, as e know say the Wike-led administration put good money to install correct equipment to give dem ogbonge water supply. Governor Fubara, wey be the immediate accountant general for the state, con tok say im go do check to torchlight the money wey dem put for the water project, and con also promise say im go sanction anyone wey dey guilty for the matter.
The immediate past administration spent so much money for the reinstatement or restoration of their water system. But I feel so bad that one of the complaints is the issue of water, that they don't have water. But I can confirm that money was spent. But no problem, I want to investigate and probe into what happened to that money, if those jobs were done, and if it were not, whoever is responsible will be brought to book.
Governor Fubara can also promise say dem go do more work for the other facilities and also restore the sanitation for the complex wey about 4 high-rising buildings among other structures with hundreds of offices dey. E con tok say the reason for dis check waka na to see ways wey im go fit help to improve the working conditions of civil servants, especially their welfare.
I had to go around the secretariat to see what really is their problem and what we can do to enable and make the service easier and it's easy for the civil servants. But from what I can see around the secretariat, they have issues of water, some renovation, and a few other things, welfare issue. We'll definitely see what we can do about all their problems. We might not be able to take everything. It's a big place. If we have to cater for all these things, we run to billions of naira, but we have to start from somewhere. We definitely have to start from somewhere.
From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesole, TMC TV News.